Yeah, welcome back. Yeah, welcome back once again to our channel. Unambutsa dzimwe dza didaka mwe dzipost dzanga ndati kusimusi sorry. I don't want to divert from what I'm talking about. It's what I was talking about on the previous video kana video mrao okay inoni hila ya kwamba uri manager wana si sponsor chanu. So wana dzimusi dzende kwamba uri ati kungodziri ndi targeting nga manda nga ngengo ndo pedza risichamba nga fungo then labori manager si sponsor chanu. Zwino vanga kuvusa uri why manager dza vaimbi va venda dzi tshi ṱoḓa u duma u fhira vaimbi. Zwine zwa vha zwone ndi zori venda a ri tuvha na dzi manager nnzhi ri tou vhala. Vhunzhi ha vhathu vhane vha vhudzwa upfhi ndi dzi manager vha soko ḓi vhidza uri manager ngori they are doing something for the artist. A vha pfesesi na zori vha tea vha khou ita mini hani lini. Ni ḓo wana muthu a sokori ndi nṋe ndo no manager nyinyi ndi nṋe ndo no manager nyinyi but they are not really doing anything to show that they're managing the artist beside uri they're criticizing dziṅwe dzi artist ka Facebook, they're dragging other people. They want to be on the spotlight because they are not there to manage your career. Havana vane few of them who are handling other people's career. And you'll see it's about their artist. It's not about how they damage or destroy other people or gossiping on social media. No. They will be making sure that you're getting your bookings, they'll make sure you get your interviews, making sure that they're taking you somewhere. And they're bringing you money. Instead of sponsor because some of the guys they come to an artist or a manager, mostly Majita. Boss said that Uri is the only way they can get girls. Come on. And then if that will help them get girls, why not find an artist and Uri don't impact nyana and is your performer? Definitely, yeah, Dona, the girls nyana. And kaya those managers oraro ni one or gigs zao ne zina ngo perform kazo kanji, you are not even getting paid. The gigs in zawendo wako zitanga wangana babo kana kusukuru fiarite mini nzwani go the promoter, they don't even knock at doors. Kobona ahuna upfiri kokonya pala razamo vula pala razamo jena pala. No, mishumo ya with the pera ne pokodzura ukwambwa zwine wakwamba zone online kokodzera thungo na mini. And too, because they're the one that are paying for your stuff, they're doing everything. They are more like your record executive. So so on some of the artists, whenever the manager, whenever they are very active on social media, it's not that those managers wanna be famous. Some of them are very active. They talk, they network. They just who they are. So whether they're doing it for a good purpose or a wrong reasons, bunji abo bangwe ni wanaribot oralo. So uzikona ndizambori ndizazo napeza hu ene ane abori u admin ya page kana ni mpasa certain access to your pages uri hube ene ndo ako engage na fene dzanu achingandi ini instead yori you believe or social media udoshimisa platform za web page, give the person an access like an author. Ave muwali ka page yanu no poster zwithu ave muthu ane abori una direction ni plan ni vena mitangano yori okay zwino rikhoto ita mini apa rikhoto pushisa hani rikhoto u make sure zwithu rizwitisa hani uri huswike hune ratanganyisa ra ya phanda ube na direction ni diwa zori if you are getting booked adani chede tukutuku ikhoto investor back kamini aikhoto gidimera kama bodhero kamina no ndiyo na udoshumoshela petrol tshifhinga ni tshidaho iko ita mina mini ngori wo muthu bono va road manager ufuna uva road manager aba manager yanu aba PR yanu aba booking agent, yeah, and a lot other things zinoza toitiwa makeup artist yanu na stylist chanu. So ni wana uri ukotamba dzi role njinji and obviously vamwe vapedza vasiyo comfortable uri wo muthu ndiye nako jena ngapa chibva ngapa chita so utiyozita because ukhozama build a career yami khona. So zia depend kha uri dzi manager dzimwe dzi dumisa hani. I'll give you an example. Stan the manager wa Road Kid, but whether he's managing anyone or he's not managing anyone, Stan is very active on social media. Stan talks in social media. Stan goes to gigs. Stan we network. Stan unavangana banji banji. He's well known. So that manager or a lara didn't manager ngai. Now when more famous than you, it's not because ukotozi choose or ukotozi or ni dume. No, it's because of his presence. Come on, uso otoraro dizuni abazone. So the mutu anarara ku manager artist. Namuserisa diwe artist arari akwamba nga hayo. Definitely we gonna check it out. Ndiene unabatuba anji bono mutebera because the brand ngene mune as a management. In is artist, you are a brand. So to understand those two, that's one as manager uchingari imbi is because they put a lot of work to try to make you be out there. Mara inina vaniko vapa ningo lindira chimwe chimwe ntoiteliwa uri arali avako pusha lwimbolo wanu in you keep quiet na the relaxer na dzula anizami ufollow up na inina na vaniko kuita noise side in lanu ni kwambo yeah I'm here udo post wa ini na dzula pasi na ditali celebrity la lihulu rane na manage then manager no take a control of everything wako ni fanda na mini wanori they are now your record label executive and nobody foot. So yeah, I'm not gonna get into all the details and the breakdown. Just summarizing, guys. I can't spend the whole day. Yeah, because there's a lot of things we can talk about when it comes to lingedza venda imbi, zivazi kotodo duma, upira imbi. Yeah, unane wabona bodela zwawo na stories zwawo. Ngori mutu sokoska rand kotomani jiwa mabana. Come on, Jamini. You can do all those things with your friends without any manager. Just an agreement. You reach a book of 3,000 and then you pay 5. Can't do 1. Come on. Every time you want a gig, you is a gig. Each time you mini. No one has tuku. Actually, zamzika. I don't win nobody studio can publish and a mini. Zwembo zori could share a song. You know, on a 15%, and then that's around 75 young. Come on. Those things. This is not what our faces was. You understand? Not to sokotori during ori minna mini indorobio. No, why didn't you want to understand all those things how it works? If the moment your manager ndiene nako publisher muzika wanu mwadzina ni awe everything, just know uri ini you've sold everything. You've given him the power. You've given her the power. Oyo mutu now on our record label yano. Simple as that. Kongwana mus. Yeah, so I guess Professor Sana ne arana zimbudiso ni dobuya and redo disapanda ndini funa zone ni comment down below arana zimbudiso nde do pindura nga hunenda kona ngao zwinji redo disapanda nda